Here I have BLACKVIEW BV6600, and today I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off auto correction feature on this device. So, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the system section, languages and input, on-screen keyboard, Gboard, text correction, and here you can enable or disable autocorrection feature just like this. Easy. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.